Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Crystal and I am back with another video. So I'm trying to do this video, not make it too long because it's almost 1 o'clock in the morning. So I wanted to bring you guys my new skincare routine review. I guess we can call it that. I've been using some new products on my skin, and if you follow your girl on Instagram, then you know exactly what I'm talking about because I have mentioned them before on my Instagram. So if you're not following me, make sure you go follow your girl. But yes, I just wanted to sort of talk a little bit about the products because let's be real, when you do a reel, it's pretty quick and to the point, and it doesn't go into detail, or at least the ones that I do. So I figured this would be a perfect video just to sort of just touch base on each product and yeah, and give you guys an idea. And also I've been using this for about 2 weeks now, so I feel like this is the perfect time to do a review because I've actually used it and my opinions and everything on it will be way more legit compared to if I just bought the product and I hadn't used it yet. So before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe to your girl's channel. Make sure you give today's video a thumbs up. So you guys know how I feel about Curology. Curology is still that girl, okay? Still love Curology, but I did give that one a break, and I was just looking for a more affordable option in terms of skincare. And Good Molecules is a brand I've tried previously because I did purchase these caffeine energizing hydrogel eye patches from them before, and this is the only product I had of theirs. But I kept seeing a lot of videos and a lot of things on Instagram regarding their serums, and I think that's like one thing I've never really had in my skincare routine are serums. I did try one serum before from Sephora. Amazing, real pricey, but it was really good. But I just never really cared for those things, and I feel like I felt like it was time for me to sort of have an entire routine, at least a start, right? Because obviously I can add things as I go. So basically I ordered these from them. I think all of these products, which I have 6 products here, and all 6 cost me $40. Now keep in mind I may have had a coupon or something of that sort, but still that's pretty affordable for 6 products, and not just any type of products, like real good products, because they're really good. So the first one I got was the Acne Foaming Cleansing Wash. So this is actually a foam, and it has salicylic acid, which is an acne treatment. So if you have acne prone skin, this is really good because you get a wash and you get to protect your skin from breakouts at the same time. Then I went ahead and I got the overnight exfoliating treatment. So this was specifically, it has AHA and BHA, which I heard are very good for your skin, and they help to resurface and renew skin. So obviously if you have textured skin or hyperpigmentation or anything like that, this will basically produce new skin and resurface your skin. So that's what I got this one for. Then of course we all know hyaluronic acid is amazing for the skin, so I got the hyaluronic acid serum. Focus, come on, focus. And this one is supposed to draw moisture into the skin for deeper hydration. So there's this misconception that if you have oily skin that you don't need hydration, because people tend to think oil means that your skin's hydrated, but it's really not. It's just oily. So you still need to make sure your skin is hydrated and has moisture. Sort of the same thing you do for your hair, you have to do for your skin. So this is why I got this one. And then niacinamide, which is something I have heard a lot of over the past couple of months. I decided to try that serum. And this one is basically, it has 10% niacinamide, which is supposed to refine your skin's texture and minimize pores. That was a big issue for me because my pores show a lot right here on my cheeks where my blush is supposed to go. And I feel like I've tried like a lot of makeup products, like powders and things that say that it's gonna blur it out, and then I do my foundation and everything, and I don't really see a difference. It looks the same to me. So I figure, why not start from the root? So I picked up this product. Okay, then we have the silicone free priming moisturizer, which is formulated with shea butter, macadamia seed oil to hydrate, smooth, and nourish the skin. So you definitely need a moisturizer to lock in your moisture and keep your moisture all day, so your skin stays nice and healthy. So I went with this moisturizer. Well, that's the only moisturizer they have. This moisturizer is really good. This is like it's like a lotion type of formula, but it's really like lightweight, and it like dissolves into the skin super easy. And then I also got their Your Mate Wake Up Eye Gel. So this is the box, but let me show you guys the tube. So it's actually a tube. This is it right here. Yeah, and then this one is supposed to help revitalize and energize your eye area. So basically these two products here is a really good combo if you have dark circles, or you tend to wake up in the morning and your eyes are puffy. It just sort of brings the life back into your eyes. So those are the products from Good Molecules. So far I've been really loving this collection. Like I said, it's super affordable. The products work. Like literally, I do this at night and in the morning, and my skin just has a glow. It looks different. It looks healthier. It just looks more hydrated. I don't know. It's like a life was put back into it. All of these I use during the day, except the overnight exfoliating treatment, which of course says overnight. So this is the only one that I incorporate at night along with everything else. So I've been like vigorously doing this morning and night for the past 2 weeks, and I see a really major drastic change in my skin. I've been loving all the products. I haven't had any irritation, any issues. Obviously on the back it tells you all the stuff, like even though these products are really good for your skin, you still don't want to get them in your eye and stuff like that, but I haven't had any issues, and like I said, I've seen a really big change. So I just wanted to share with you guys, because your girl is all about good products on a budget, things that's not going to cost you an arm and a leg, because I don't believe that you have to spend a whole bunch of money for certain things. So of course there's products that cost you a lot of money that are great, but there are also products that are affordable that can do the same thing. So definitely, if you're looking for like acne product line, or just skincare in general that's really good and affordable, definitely check out Good Molecules, because this is like really amazing. And if it wasn't good, your girl, I would tell you if it wasn't good. Okay. And then there's two other products which are not from Good Molecule that I wanted to include since we were doing skincare. and these two are from e.l.f. This is the Holy Hydration Gentle Peeling Exfoliant. So that's this. And then we have the Holy Hydration Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm. So these two products I got on my last e.l.f. order, and you know, obviously when you have points and stuff like that, they let you pick out miniature versions of the products just to try out. So I picked these two and they are amazing. So I don't know if you know, but like makeup wipes used to be the thing back in the day to take out your makeup, but now I don't know, over the past 2 years, like cleansing balms have taken over, makeup melting balms, whatever you want to call it. So this is like the new thing. So I tried this one from e.l.f. and basically it's just like, it looks like a balm, like exactly what the name says, but you basically would put it all over your face and it will melt down the makeup, and then you would rinse it out, and then you would go in with like your regular skincare and cleansers and all of that stuff. So I really like this one. Again, this is another product that has the misconception that if you're oily you can't use like a balm or oils or stuff like that on your skin, which is not true. So obviously, you know, I am not an esthetician or anything like that, but I'm just going through the process of doing my research and finding out regarding my skin type. So I would highly suggest, you know, if you're looking for products for your skin, that you do the same. And sometimes some things are trial and error. You have to try it and see how it works. Every product might not work for every person, so you gotta basically see what works for you. And then the Holy Hydration Exfoliating Peel, it's basically of the same line, but this one is an exfoliant. So basically when you put it on your skin, it exfoliates and removes all the dead skin. So this is really good. So this is something where you can kind of do the cleansing balm, you know, rinse off your skin, do an exfoliant, take off all the dead skin, and then go in with your skincare routine. But this is something that I don't believe you should use every day. Actually, the bottle says 2 to 3 times a week. So you treat this just like you treat any other exfoliant, like for your body or anything. This is like, you know, something you do occasionally, because obviously you don't want to be like peeling off your face every day, you know what I mean? So, but this is really good. This one is also like it's like a lotiony type of formula, but as you can see, it's like it peels off any area that has skin. Like even my hand right now, look, this is actually dead skin that's coming off right here. So this is a really good product as well. And of course, you already know e.l.f. is like go-to for like good quality products for a low price. So I'm not really sure how much these cost, but I'll try to put the price on the screen so you guys know. But yeah, so this is basically the skincare that your girl has been using lately, and I have been loving it. So I just wanted to share. So I'll basically put the names of everything in the description bar below if you're curious or want to remember exactly what it is that I mentioned in today's video. No, I used to be real confused back in the day about what your order of your skincare is supposed to be. So this is how your girl does it, because I went on Google and I did my research, and based on the products I have, this is how I do it. So obviously take off my makeup, then I go in with my foaming cleanser and I do 3 pumps of this, and I literally scrub and massage it into my skin for no less than 30 seconds. Like, I think you need to be cleansing your face for 30 seconds or more, right? After I go in with this, obviously I rinse, pat your face dry, don't rub. I don't even use towels, washcloths, any of that anymore. Paper towels are your best friend, because you use it, you throw it in the trash, there's no transferring of germs. Yes, believe it or not, using your towel on your body, on your face, is not really the best thing. So Once that's done, I go in with my serums after my cleansers. So if it's nighttime, then I use the overnight exfoliating treatment. If it's daytime, then obviously that's eliminated. Then I go in with my Hyaluronic Serum. Once that is like soaked up into my skin and my skin is completely not dry, but once the product has dissolved into my skin, then I go in with the Niacinamide serum. Same process again. You let it like do its thing, and then once that is done, then I go in with my moisturizer. Do 2 pumps of that. Put my moisturizer all over, and then I go in with the eye gel. And I do all of this, like I said, morning and night. And then of course, if it's like a real tough day and maybe I had a rough night or whatever the case may be, then I go in with my eye patches. But I don't do this every single day. This is like on occasion. But again, definitely follow your girl on Instagram, because that's sort of my gateway to show you guys exactly what I'm going to be doing on YouTube. So a lot of times I do little sneak peeks and stuff on there. And of course, you know, I've been like highly into reels lately, so definitely follow your girl on Instagram. But yeah guys, let me know what you guys thought of today's video. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you've used Good Molecules or if you're using them right now and how you like them. And of course, as always, you can always leave your girl suggestions of what videos you want to see next. But yeah guys, I am exhausted. I am tired. I'm gonna get ready for bed, which is a whole process, as you guys can see, because I have to do this 6-step process before I even go to bed. So yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching as always, and yeah, I will see you guys on my next video.